Hello my little crafties. So monsoon is here and I wish you all a very happy and fun monsoon, and I wish you to enjoy it fully. So how's the weather in your location? At my place it is raining and I love rain. I just love this kind of weather, and I just crave some tea and pakoras while watching the rain. Tell me in the comment if you too enjoy your tea with rain. So July is here and I am doing a July journal with me. As you can see, I have chosen the theme purple and little bit of like dark, what do I call it, dark yellow mustard color. Yes, so I have used all handmade supplies. You can check the tutorial of these all supplies on my channel. And do tell me if these videos give you some kind of inspiration or ideas to make your own journal, or also ideas for future videos. Here I am adding some leaf doodles and writing July in calligraphy style. Here I am using a leaf punch to add some leaves. This is the real leaf I have used at second side of the page. I have dried it in my copy and I'm using it here. You can also use dry leaves and dry flowers. You can dry them in your copy and press them and leave them for some days. They will be dried and ready to use. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.